Advanced revenue management, creating a prospective merge. Alright, so in the previous video I looked at merging. This one is very, very similar. Really the only difference is going to be we were going to be looking at residual values. So let's go look at the suite answers 65688. And you can see it. Prospective merge management uses the residual values of the merged revenue arrangements to represent the modified performance obligation. The process terminates the original revenue arrangement and creates a new revenue arrangement with the residual values of the effective date. The effective date of a prospective merge is the first day of the first open period. That is not an adjustment period. You cannot create a prospective merge if revenue recognition or reclassification journal entries have already been posted after the effective date, right? So it cannot be after the effective date. If you want prior changes that have not yet posted to be included in a prospective merge, reopen the prior period and post the updates before you create the prospective merge. All right, so we're going to go to the merge revenue arrangements for link sources page. It's exactly the same as we did in the last video. So we're going to go transactions, financial, merge from link sources, open that page, and then we're going to use again the same customer, which is Edge Systems. Just waiting for my slow internet. There you go. So Edge Systems, and there you can see here are all the arrangements we have. Now this here is really the only difference between the last video and this video. Okay, so mark all, and essentially all of this detail is the same. You know, you've got your subsidiary, you've got your currency, your customer, accounting book I don't have, approval, if you're using approval routing for that, you can filter by dates. Here is, sorry, it's not that one, recalculated. In the settings, yeah, so really this is for the most part pretty much exactly the same. The only difference really is in this box here. Alright, so let's go mark all and let's go create that merge. Whoops, sorry, I've not listened to myself, so I've got to use a different date here. So let's just try that again. Alright, so we'll go Edge. Right, and I have already recognized revenue up until the 31st of December. So we'll do this, and we'll go 31/1/2022. Pause for a second because it might take a minute. Okay, so I've been offline for a couple of minutes, so I had a couple of issues. So I didn't have my periods closed, so I went and closed my periods. And also this revenue arrangement 265 has revenue recognized in future periods, so I'm not going to include that one in the merge. So let me try this again, and I've got that on the 1st of January. So I'm going to go that one and that one. Got that tick, got the dates right, so let's try again. Yeah, it's looking better. Let's see. Excuse me. Right, so that is done. So if we now go and look at revenue arrangements, there is my new